Yamina Juma, Namanya,
holiday. But that's all. Way and I'm a JWK Saki. What's up on your Bronubi Froho a Guabado? Oh my God! I come go! that's the next. I'm into Miracle. Adom 106.3 Dwaso Nsem living the smart. Menim sa ho ye na menso me ho ye pa. Me busa senti wo ye sa na ye den. Sister. Bra. Wo ye sa na ye den. Wonim pa sa dia wa fe ye nya odia. Be sansa wa hoden chen no. Yey. Umo dudodo chen no. Ebi mpa na ho fe chen no. Eno ntia. Ebi ana wo obi wa ban mu. Wodim posi panin bi. Wodim soja panin bi. To wodi wa wadwen se fa na abefa. Wo yes ah na ye den. Wan kasa wonim se kwan ya nam so hoi ba bia wo febra nan kanye ho na sasa wo fo sister see ya watwai pa wa wo hwe akoma mu wutirim wa memu a wo hunu se na nye ho na sasa wo fa na nso wa yire wo ho asa hwa na abebo apia kro wo yesa na ye den anya wona wo no oyobi ba na wabetena wo nchen sansa onye obojenti wo kire ne kom utimeti aduane na watene dia kwesi kwan na ho baabi na wa mana didi ho na nkwada sese wo suade ayo no didi wia na wagya won ne magu ho se o metwitwim tadam pa ye ma won bi ni de de ma wonum no sumpo no ye de aka ase sister, we yes, na ye day. So we refi. Some penning said ye or be dear sweet no na dear. Ye. Sister. Bra. Dear woo ye. 2 years, and a year day. Jai. Jayo. Na frise. Abraboko ejina tuo no omaye. Na se oba wunnim di odebeba e bia na position ya wo mu se sabrabo no kwagina tuo no oba na ye beje afri wonsam e bia brabo no kwagina tuo na so oba e bia na ode yade na ebre wo abrabo no kwagina tuo na oba e bia na ode ade foforo bia wani nna tidia wo ye sa na ye den wayere wo ho a sempotem ho mpese obebu ade abaya bra wo yesa na ye den ya na nkrofo kasa se chirichi wachi echichiri ni achiri de papa mo na echichiri nche yeso wa chichichiri enso encho omani muswa landing don hwiri nsia na wabeduru so wonante afiri ha komankasi mu na wunduru ye na echichiri nchenti na wafiri landing na wabeduru ha na nim ne santan echichiri nche tu ye bribia pani se wo wi fo nsa no wa hunu se wo nso wo sa no etese fo de wo yesa ena ye den ahaya Adom 106.3 na ene ye nuano musumifo ni nyina da odina nura na enura no na ye ni afidie yi so ti so ba de Adom ye na se nenso ya behie de a ayiwa barka di sala oh simple. National Chief Imam Ahmadiyya for Penny Otiano Asuna. Everybody, all the Muslim leaders across the country. Yomuina Fishapa Allah Unshramo. Yana say we Bomodiana Shan and Subio Mami say social distancing no be seriously. Menya dear Seso Didi Agro. You sit it on tempted. Yade no koi oh kofo yade no mombo chenku nso hyede nso se umbo chenku na yedidi abom we ni ade ni nyina ye mu nanka ye pa mo no show fon de wo ba ye chen nuanom meme kuta mi spoon tigo kuta ne de debi yede yensa kra na edi me Asan tigo Fojo, Ayiwa, any awana, was a Godwin, any anabane kwansa. Babani ya buy watching him good table no so. Na ye diko. If you say who say, ye ya dofo, ye nye juma ye for. And so ya jai, to won so jai. Said a beya yin na no bit me a boy ye hobai. And Carex in collaboration with the Ghana Medical Association. Carex kills 99% of bacteria. Say yes to life. Delay yogurt. More. More? I need more. A life soap. Soap can save your life. Use it. Magdan Shipping Company Limited. Your total logistics partner. Petrosol. A delightful experience. And finally, Holland Life Assurance, we've got you covered. One day, boy, I'm this anchor, and so say, sometimes all we need to do is appreciate that simple things in life and be content knowing that with hard work and motivation, we would achieve greatness. Obiye who be motivate you. So one kasa went me and who says so motivate you now what dream we dinya sister brother any pabi be proud and say what me sua said the beya wo bo what dream to free na wa yi wani afride wo hunu so na wasi waso e wode wote ho na wa bie wani na wako anim ba so betime ye we na age wo sha ase den papam na we wie den papam said the bia me catch us so here Nescafe. It all starts with Nescafe. C'est bon mode yen. Na pe no bi. Em na so say de na poso. At the bro, Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Societe General Ghana, the future is you. Agbeve Herbal Center, Wayare Safie. Latest form your partner for life. Irada Motors for the best car batteries and oil by Speedmate Batteries and oil from Irata Motors. One of the Swasania. Yadebra, when them say, Omuko holiday, tea baby, ya cry and train papers and say, you show. Ya, you will some dada. I am seeing a campo. But Faber was never so next still. African series, you know, because was the ending of this month. And then Yami Adoma Wukiada will bring it close to that. Obekaya Dr. Kinsley J. Ekasano Bobuku Biso. Yakopa Mame. I don't want to cry, but my year and one Matima can do chapter 5. And see Yabeshe. And some more. Conformably, download the and almost send a me. Patron Yamin shout to say, yes, I'm mommy. Why? I really appreciate that. Those of you. Nipa be send him mommy. Papa ba could be your send him mommy there and need daho and run a minute chat in all Germany. Madame Sepa I am on fanche and so most sending messages not a chance at my responding and yammy and yes, I'm a shada in Luso. Messages in the door so. And no branch of a couldn't near Bruna who chamis our phone so. And never kind of message in no radio so. A branch of my kind why? I send a message and reply. Aywa, Why me poto? Honestly, means me responding to more than 500 messages a day. 500 na mapem means me come more than that. I need time also for my family. I can't always be sitting on the phone. I'm so sorry though. So that's it. Daily guide obi nim da kuta dollar on Nsem. Obi nim Paris post bail party claims. I was munyai. Yensa kra menyesa krofona ja social media ya mwadi ena omode yakoyesa enye no kra da semi free ho ba na mabe party da me $2 gu na den. That's not correct. Now, not to remove restrictions, and only union musumi for Casano. Donado Danko Akufo-Addo boss said consultations, also said, some restrictions, and so be and Ibeka Hono, and try and do 31st of this month now. Wakache, no, TNC next month, na Sebi free one, I say in free one, and so Abba. Now, face Savannah record first COVID-19 case tally hit 6,683. The Savannah region, back when Pimo Honadan. Was it Anrana? Yeah, I think so. Metie, either Anrana, memory, I'm back. Metie, Adom Casiano. Na, Papa Baco, so Munjindi. This will be sample. Rather than Yakopo. Mumma and Fanny have been Yagron. Tiet number to 6,683. I don't know. At Daho, Sasuna Ghanaian Times, Danado Danko Akufo-Addo phone in at Daho, say coronavirus pandemic roadmap to ease restrictions in the offing. That's coming from the president. And restrictions now, the Yeshua Hokwai, say the Papa Babe Katre. And as I say, there 6,683 na yedruna and at Daho. But at least Ghana Yayadi, we've been able to handle this pandemic so well. Thanks to the Information Ministry led by Kujo Ponkroma, the Health Ministry led by Honorable Kwakwajima Menu, and then the entire executive arm of government led by Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. You guys have done so well managing this pandemic. Honestly, everybody around, in and out of this country, you've managed it so well, and we want to thank you. In Yama Ketch, as I say, the Kahuni in our titru say. PPs be call baby a short ni ade ne ne man ketenkete bi e ka ho no we ya police mo be man akontem said be ya baby am choke ade na koduru no Angie Nsem, you've done so well. I mean, you've done very well managing this particular pandemic. I am me ready around, let me share how other African countries are managing this, and I'm straight. So wow. There's a Ghana, you bet me, baby. You know, there's something we all can do. Timwa, Nipebia, Wakahono, health workers, frontline workers, who are we health sector, including the watchmen. Munina, no Mokahoni, Yetimi, Aye, Abayamun for even the opposition, they are all helping. Said everybody, wow, would team in our team in Kanokaho, Mensomekaho. I mean, it's marvelous if you look at how Yetiana Abua Enti Yan Kosono Yanyosa said a bit me de including my pie so but Daily Graphic finally is the newspaper. Give us violence-free elections. Chief Imam urges electoral machine. International Chief Imam and Ratadena Shep Papana F. Omo dressing heavy. Mimi pe gold though. I love the gold aspect of the whole thing. I mean, it came out so well. Sheikh Osman Naho Sharabutu, the National Chief Imam and Ronwan and Lidi Muslim, Sumo Bompai, Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and Dr. Mustafa Hamid, Omuinano, Ashisho Mumaske Kama, Bompai. Akona obobiso ya ema Ghana ti ya dano no ya da mase go akata na mewi simple and short na asamba akona mpese ya dwene ho na yakwa anim kakra na ya de bibi niam na ma bateterem na wotwebo na ya fafa be woso pacho ba me sha sem free this part na me famra Tama HIV wo hodan ye bia ukoye test na results ne mbae wo yam ye wo dey na wo feel say cancer multimedia ho betwetwe ye moja kwa say HIV test. I tell you, we should be a man aduane na num nya ne de. Ai wa yetwe wo de ne bi. Sa test no anya bi won. We should be a num nya ne de. NSC ye won krofo bebre ya. Oboso ya be form sample results ne mbae. Sa what is sa? O feel say ade na te say ya be fa sample ko na results ni nya mbae. Ama wo yam hihye ama wo yeden. But answer na mama kwan ma wo wetimi aba be kasa no. Ma men kwa homa no so na me ne Dr. Augustina Silver King, yeah. On the virologist that Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research. The voice na de do osanso de adwoa o. Odi adwoa o no joada. Adwoa for the special. The can sank e be wonu me. Nanka chezenga. Nanka no anu no. Adwoa ma che.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. Na bibia boko de.
Mpochunyo nyame na adom bibia boko.
Enye so ye hu yi papa. Me ji de fie so ye boko.
Nyame na adom. Adom na kwa.
Bo. Mpocho say wafa ibini sample a. Osedo dzibeye na hena ansa na waba.
Easy. Mi chewe te fu nyina.
Ibiara jodododo.
Yo. Samples no. Yentum nkade efa dakwer ana 24 hours. Ne nyina factors bebre count. For example, the type of sample, type of specimen wafa. The embryo kene yete de yen swabs asa. Inti yenya swabs. Nasa swabs na sa ono sample bi our friend is sputum. Ahor na whatever. Ahor se unda wanka se ehwe the way your cha. Numu yedu take into your dead. Hunza maybe kakra ansana. I started the process sample no. Into that man as no your type of specimen I want tabaka.
Okay.
Okay, so samples no ba form CB kaho friend case investigation form. Ono na ebi anyimpa na wafa ne sample no nizin ni nemfia wezi baby oti and importantly my your friend no clinical signs and symptoms ebi no ha ye show we take a temperature na wa tro wa shedo ebi ase we tu kwana na do ntu kwana ebi ne ho akaka obi a why oye positive na de bibi oti dem nti that means the many nyina owodo entire samples neba says a match dama case investigation forms na on March it's all bandama or there free ABA facility no na make some few inquiries and na ebiso wa sample na nkasa sputum ni dey ansha container no woman no or screw cap it is a wembodu ye ya obedu lab no na sample bi anyim nti ebi anyimpa no aba fa na samples dey but oti honom return na bi anensa nka but say sample ne egude a ono yebotu ma afre the one for sample for mbra nti a lot of factors but no friend says some that means the nyina bibia your case ono be take between 6 to 8 hours. However, also depend on the quantity of samples ewo 3,000 samples into minyan within 6 to 8 hours. Into a lot of factors come into play.
It's in patrol. Na say we share some factors here. It depend. Ebi o wa wo de be che, ebi o so enche.
Inyo.
It's so
Enna, Captain. Importantly, ebisu awehu. Ehu de nyimpa na ye test one samples no. Wodoso. Into ye test we are yentum mfre obi anko konko. Into ye we are as a result in nyina ko Ghana Health Service. Enna yezama regional health directors. Enna one district health directors. Enna one our will lead referral hospitals. Today, be a mufende Konfanochi Kolebu Central Regional Hospital. Now, the idea there it will trickle down to the various facilities because samples they into me send the results meaning now call facility there. And see obi wa ho a results or the email me or the inbox me on check results no. And see that means that maybe I test the results no call. And the CC so nyame adom ye testing sites bebre wa Ghana Tamalekra ebien wo ho very soon in the Kintampo will come on board. Eba Kumasi KCCR and very soon, Confanoche will come on board. Western region, ebi wo honum, veterinary services department, ebi wo ho, ekwankranizonu bebre wo honum. Inti, CC has a testing sites no also, which means ideally the rate at which I am my results no also or there or quantum.
Now, Mpacho, so waba fame sample no mbe ya yanyi pinje na akasa na woyem hihwon ebinum kwa worusu se ebia waba fame sample kwa menya den
so waba for sample and the nimpa no ba for sample no ideally agent contact number because our disease surveillance officers now work communities money and when the most of the time was the samples never into say here results are ebi obefre here lab so results na ready and then there onyo obi aruntumo frawa na nkade wo results here day and the way ya enyen ebi before the year kasa bebre no fa na nyipa na positive na captain Efram na meka chewa ansha na akachi obi no obi so akachi obi and we know the issue about stigmatization into obine results is very very sensitive into ideally ne attending physician and no do catchen yenim so that da me yerbe ebi mu wo ha wo ye asymptomatic ono tinifio nenam oro ye nazi bibia anyen into ono obandama or then is disease surveillance officer no connection no kaka ne results but yenim the most of the time whether we positive no one results maybe or there clinician catching the ne results here positive into one shana one attend to nimpe ya na de one yende and now one yende usually negatives no yezo cause but ansha ebia etihonum erichen but of course I share in their anxiety as one sample kana wate enyimsa wate so nenya results are definitely we am shisho yeah there used to say yes such day the signs and symptoms no cry and share them will be it's difficult and I share in their pain and I understand why they are also anxious or isn't
it's important say adwa oba fa me sample no dama anye biara monkɔ adwuma se bia mo bebia mo tukwana monkɔ ana wa be fa me sample no se da mo twɛn na results ne ba ansa na se mokɔ bebia maakɔ.
In fact, ideally, the enkayenyim there yerbe ono onanto nimpa no bananto ozenako. Inti sanka waba for sample wamba for sample enka ideally the nko there ye limit yen movement kakra. By yenyim there sebi asora na pa obi wo ho a wanka tena kejeti a onye sika onye zibanum ponzi. Inti na you put some few measures, not few, a lot of measures today. That large scale preventive measures today. A nose mask. Yamam paying pose danoka de singing. Uhim put their bottle. Last minister, a minister so can today. In fact, uhia de bakasumpa. Only de kasa. Inti yana brabo. The way ya be adapt to a new way of life no ono bobwa it is so dey kwedwuma shall we not mask so here dey kwedwuma ono ze dey tinefie na tinefie no so nyi dey tinefie akeke o na hoho wonsa so dey kogo koto bibia o dey shall we not mask ekwaso a o dey insist on that physical distancing no amema ko shop bibia na yi menza ma mpede muto nyina na mu kwa dem ro kwa counter me kwa check out mudu honom no when display sign do be answer nose mask. In fact, very nicely displayed social physical distancing. No mum in Besiafuna what say a computer china or bejisikano. One share nose mask. Mudu one man na mupe aba. No from the madam. Na embo chiwa. Unam se share musro one because one share nose mask. It's even now or the Yenua Dayan say echo shop bi na yense sanda ma adwene de say e Ghana ze echo shop bi a che de e hona wo honom no we aze here. But we should be the other way. There shop na ekotazi wana wote wanum one nose mask. I think you have to ask them and tell them there one nose mask. Why ya ne pay abano akwa shop fofo because the interesting thing is the one on them that wote wanum na nkofu bebre ba wan nchen they are highly exposed. It's one rate of exposure no or very very high. Marco bank bi wa Ghana hadeya was abo no mask no entry.
Enye ye dwom ha krotara ha no mask no entry.
Yo me hope do obia o ti honum bia hyem nose mask. Mo re inside na eja mo ko hwehwe sika kaka. Mo do no was abo no mask no entry. But onwa na we ye adwuma wo honum na nkasa won hye nose mask. It's moko yes moko one man ninja no ho. Onu po mo kwa no honum na eja imbesi afunu si de bibi ehim. Nam catch on the Debbie, me can be some manager and there. Antina, 1 hour on one nose mask. Maybe someone also was movie don't go to be with Cromembra. Nam catch on the Debbie, Obia, Fanny in Bargain. And I say, oh yeah, a community mask and our homemade one. Say, bien a neighbor said, be show bargain. Man, China and Kade, Muko, Ejuma Mufono to nose mask as I am among them in shape. Because you have an over. One could see never call a social isolation. Obi anshampo obi ampo runtum mbana on besto. And the way I have so stigmatization as one who or then na ya boy and huban. Into everybody should be involved. Echo baby obi nyo rekasa on nose mask. Obi rekasa by heart or yado bakasa. I think politely or they catch it. Into we need to change the way we live. The way I hear Henenzama, the way I Nancy Onidechia is a be able to no be or a hago be. Misha wonder mammy in the A, Nankofi what a Ghana had, another what you are seeing well, and now whom or Kondo, or May Munchi, or as the music, Obika Chemdo, no smasky, Misha Cram to Minjang, whom Nams in the shade. Ina ya brewum, but we have to wait because a Yazisha Hensi me dead. Mansha, on which had the moon protect me. No money so one send is on so protect him. I think that thing should push all of us to wear a nose mask. Nose mask is or boapa. Yenensana ya no so on so boa. And importantly, that physical distancing also here. The main charge is the name coma. It would have billboards or bohonomosh or display. That physical distancing, nose mask wearing. And I think there, ya boy able to me sue that my yarbe anokwan. But say I'm boa. Now where can do I mean obikwa or however no shop no jine no on you call for because what's all her nensa also her. Ono say dia on nose mask. It's so still opedo kade more right into the mura shop no mu. Yin na yen sisa henu suban. Yes sisa henu subana. And I also said na wo shop a me na return waza. Oh here or ya no kwade here sikanize. But obi wear inside no nose mask politely na ka chendem pocho kashe nose mask and say na rem shop nimu. And they say yeah that man zaman kitin ya. Obi abohu the importance or the na yes nose mask. Ya ho ya nsa ya adhere to physical distancing. Me expected moko MTN very very why as a inform we display that man physical distancing. Me expect that by now, community shops. Once we use CDB, since you want to improvise, ama obi bottles or shop we obohu baby or dojina obohu baby because on your catch and there 2 meters and 3 meters on teasi. But I will not there directing. Yen na yambwa na yentu yensu dama yerbe ano kwan. Minim da yen Ghana for the yakado. It's a yen nipa bebre. But only that yet when you put the view there, numbers rapid you there be overnight. No one will jump up or be 100. And shall hear nothing and you name your abayan, but if they are obey you too late. Man kada them no baba. But yan share who ye na if we keep on priding ourselves there, oh, is the nimpa the brain another menipana we will hear from won't Google a conwa. I think there it will be too late. There, but chana there, ya bochan. Ma bibi oti dem isa ansana.
Pacho, ebinum was ebinum wo hɔ one yarba ne hye wɔn ho. Ɔna yarba no ontumi nya ne hwee. Enso no otumi zem obi na wa ha odam nyipa. Dam yebe den de ebohu.
In fact, ekwana oya no kwa into one na yefro when asymptomatic no. Asymptomatic ana careers. Into ono yarba ni hye no mu, but no honam ndenezi. And this is the most interesting thing about this particular infection. And honum zen wazi wutiri ya wo yo bibia anya wo yo, but what test wa na aye positive. Inka ideally and minim there or many bia anyi ho a wetum wa ye da mazi. Ideally inka although bia ye tested bia, but it is not possible, and in fact it is not even practicable. You to test obia wo wi asimu. Intina what test dama routine surveillance. One hour hospital, ebia wa hospital. Ne bibi no yen, but odu hospital no. What friend bibi our friend no trigen. Into what try you are maybe a way would do a fit into the case definition. Now what testo. Now say Susie, 1 hour to kwana wabano, one so what test one see 1 hour be a positive. Now I a BBI friend or contact tracing. Into honest will be 1 hour a boat or do a ne contact tracing our no. Wobenifia, BBI yen, but over sample, not was our brain and they are test. If you test and you know you're positive, Obisu no one testing, but on the number BBI again. Intina, here they hear nose mask, because would they one casa cry el casa, wouldn't to feel 111 be if you will aha. Inti Yarbano so virus no so ono or shadama droplets in the moon. Inti onam de into fino aya ebohu, aya so a womancy. Obey here there, ebesu. That man to fino bo pray abano no. Many nyina wa collective nose mask no mu. Into obenda ma sa captain me nyina ho na me nyore kasa. That man inkanto fino baba wonchen ni nyina. Nose mask no ba trap ni nyina. Inti no here pa no. Inti say what test so my positive and now what test so say what test so na ye negative on there the next time what test so into me positive, especially Abraham, you there. That community transmission of cases, no, you're very, very high. In fact, the WHO there's always or there can be 4 levels of transmission of cases. When you don't have any case or any cases in your country, when you have sporadic cases. It's in Koko Krubia test to confirm Krubia a positive, a Kosa a negative, and I have a cluster of cases. In Tabia, Eba Kumasa, Mufanda, or Boise, Tutuka, Echo Honma, Bebre, a test 1 hour, a positive. I saw another example of cluster of cases, Ebia, Ebushebim, Mame, Papa, Mba, Auntie, Uncle, when you know why a positive. Then the highest level, only a community transmission of cases. Ono echo community numa nkofo ne nam ho ho zinzinzin, but bibia nche de we yerbe bia wo hondo ana we, but the test one na why positive. Inti captain bibi to them wo honom de obi wo ha hwenyen bibia nyen on the nam ho zinzinzin, but the test na why positive. Inti that nose mask wearing so very important. Obebwo he nyina ma Chede, se nipa no kra ye negative o, nipa no kra on test da o, onyim ne status kra obabwa ma yerban nano akofom.
Mama Adom Pocho, yen restrictions yen president on lifter.
And yen president is the onka there or lift, but also there they will consider. Inti ame Majina we free do na makade abra yan lifty dama restrictions, especially on public gatherings, no. Abna yen nyina yan kwa chapel, abra yen nyina yan number one ko school no. Yet we feel in kama advice there, this is the best time yen nyina yebosia na ya ba chere yan number the way I yeshe nose mask no, because yarba no yen ne bet na chere na yen ne tina chere sa or dey adapt and I use certain yes society and suban be na the way I and maybe. In think at this time I hear you na yet in a few. Yan chair number the way I yes and nose mask because Moframaze. I shall go school call back a day, Minos mask, my mask on yefe, I was a yefe. My mother that was a measure of Buffett to many mana, and now all for the menu. Into yet in a few. That man be no day yet share your number. The way I yabo who in your minister we. In fact, men ya wajen there, Erichena, school no, you go in school now, Kofuko school. I want them the teachers. Walk catch them from the way I want to know smart. I think this is a very fine opportunity for all of us to teach our children. In fact, apart from teaching them how to wear the nose mask, no, when the way I was a hand sanitizer, no, was about her. When it was about year one and so and the way I about one and so and importantly, number physical distancing. Yet, when you know when reasons because in the Mofama they stand on reasons. Ma auntie, why? Why do I have to do that? Why do you want me to do this? Why must I put on a nose mask? Into yen church one because I dana captain dakor I dana yabaka day yen na yabaka chapel. I dana dakor we school day yen na yenko school. I mean there's no way yabat na honum dama till the world comes to an end. Into we need to face reality as to when yabaka chapel ronizi unfortunately meaning as to when a school for baby honestly meaning. But I think that of course, it's important that you focus on when. But when number, you know, until yet in a few, young try her number of farmer in particular, young church one. Because nose mask, echo Asia, one a year being put a wash a nose mask. In terms there, nose mask, your bashas are church. Yabasha Charapa. And see, unfortunately, Muntumunka, President, Echina, Omboyan, Nayanka Chapel, another Echina, Mamumboyan. Yenim there. A crow be in the Pan American or Washington Post today, a Texas chapel were decided that Walker Chapel. Walker Chapel, no one there, what has the one who don't go for be positive. And I'm a Musro Croway, a baby when you're there. One hour is symptomatic. On nam honum no was the bibia and chebe on bow no one yeso bibia yen but a test na no why positive it's yen na yen day no hondo so president kada yan kwachapu o kada yan ko school o kada yen ye de no o kan wan kan still let us all adhere to dama safety measures no I think they're on no bobo hen
Adriano pay me that say Bibia Bamasa from high. Dr. Augustina Silver King, a virologist at Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research, and artist Ebenino, a bonko mono. Nase, maybe on to Gia Casam Fufro. Oh, sir, maybe in a Mayan profile in tree. What you paper is now? One is over there, Pamiana. Why am I going over there for me? Sana Wumba. Just as I know, check. Oh, any man found to a fatwa. Now, what quiet test to be another for sample? Debbie, hey, Menkoye. HIV test me and baby a bear, and we be. That me as a mini fear, me me top pressure, mammy. Me number for me, person just over here, member. Debbie, and your member, Sempes. What you only say, even COVID-19, I be I can't want me. So, only so will be. Oh, why have grown to me your say, yes, idea who say be our hard best as I'm crofwa. So, only so will be a which man and Tiam and Yamia Adoma new system now overcome virus. But the moment the back also will be saying Kim and Okoano, a 2 soon so best 70%. Naka 30 Naka. Yamia Mwawa. Yamia Mwawa. But what do you mean the deal? So, what was I today? Anything independent will catch on some them no. Because or said them one. I am sure one so be bano be impano. That never been told down. Say, who chef I said, what this will be 90 of yours over no be any. If say who getting and at the moment, whom but also, and so crab bro immune system, Nasi. Who is a doctor for no becatcher? Ah, ehunu de enye o. Enye kra.
Na sa stigma se mi aya ye ken. So hu. Enya de papa. Enya de papa, but the way I actually say yare no so tretre no. Eno ad ne stigma nam.
Simple.
So what you say? Because said ye ken say yentwetwe ye ho emfiri eye edom ne ho nkeka ho. Edom na otwe ho afiri no kra no, you don't suspect say bi obi ntina wotwe ho afiri mana say bibi yete saa. But wo hunu say obi no. Den abehwe ho ye won ho na ya na bia amanfo ye ma ne tra so. So hu eno ne ade a ehu kakra. Bakojo ye me ani na ho because den life should bounce back. Ene abrochire amanfo asase bondos league say me hwa na me ra ho because we pass place he goes so almost shepa no e fe chen na any power stadium na so o hwe wi a wontimi jubilate ye obi ani ho no ma wo yidi da kire no very tough
season or is jubilate season
amachi de nyum no boy no anti o si nipa ne din se ade ani padua no ho ebeye no photo ntimi nye eno ne asem no ade ani padua no ho ebeye no photo ntimi nye ti se football no ne ade ya amse omde ani ade ombo omnya bo awie season na ompese om continue na be dey so be start new season unless say be different bi ba nti sa ade a ba yare ni mo gidie se be di sunkunim ko na abibidro na ye de ye omhu ye se ebeboy o start mo nom de
me ye sure
mo no mo twen de
asa
e buklongu beku ye okura mu
ye bed no nimtri ne better live no ye bed no na sa
ami de pun de menya pun
na uja de me de 2 weeks bia
eye pa yiru pun
ye pun ye nom ye sa di zo na dware
yes
ye kwen
anya so bolo ni bi so anu anom
and then here o
kakadru na no me ko ayi me yonko Mr. Tamakulu ho e wo galo mu o se we jai mort ni ade nse wo ya na wo hwe no destroy to mama
na wa na
wa wo twen a wo be wi so o minimu ayo deku
Dr. Thomas Anaba our Africa Center for Health Research and Policy. Doctor, good morning.
Good morning, and good morning to your cherished listeners.
Me ba chona to say
you are all right.
Doc, it's not restrictions for quite a long time. Would you advise to say easy restrictions, no, and I remove the restrictions?
Okay, me that was the day. My fan big kind salute na congratulate brothers Muslims for the Eid festival yesterday. And that omo prayers are omo despite the fact that they did it in a different way altogether this year. When you omo prayers, I mean, sure say omo praise coronavirus no Ghana. And for their sacrifice, we have to acknowledge them, just like we acknowledge the Christians during the Easter period where they couldn't congregate. It's a fact that the country and it is young go back to normalcy. But to go back to normalcy, we must have certain precautions in place before we can go back, or we must put certain measures in place so that we can go back. Yareno, the way Yareno propagate it. Way of diagnosing the disease, are we now good at it? The testing centers, are we now well prepared to test so many people in a day? The tracing, are we doing our tracing perfectly well? And then whether amount for are accepting coronavirus as a disease and that they will go by the restriction, meaning that has education gone down well for our people to follow so that Yarano and spread it. It is not in doubt that the country's economy has taken some downturn because of coronavirus. No, it is not in doubt that amount for people omujima is shati because of coronavirus. But all that was done for the benefit of all of us to be existing today, so that yenina betinya kasa about whether we should lift the sanctions or not, or the restrictions or not. If we hadn't put in all the restrictions, perhaps the numbers that we are seeing would have been more. I want to go by what the president used to say he is going to lift he's going to use that to determine whether to lift the restrictions or not. presidency, we have a low mortality rate from coronavirus. That is 1 in every 1 million. Ghana, you 30 million. Now, about almost 30 something deaths. It means that 1 in about every 1 million people die from coronavirus in Ghana. Osaka say a positivity rate here 3.3. I know they are correct. 3.3 means that all those they test, when you calculate those who are positive, they are 3.3. Then he said that virtually, this is the most important thing that I would like people to take note. Or say virtually, 32 people are almost all of them have what we call comorbidities. This should be taken very seriously, simply because majority of our population, about 55 years, have one or more comorbidities. This is where I want to come. So let's note that one down. If we lift the restrictions, what is Ghana going to do? What activities can Ghanaians perform? We can go back to school. We can go back and perform funerals. We can go back to enter our shops the way we want to enter our shops. We can also as well go to churches. We can go back to the mosque. We can start to do our registration for our new voter register. These are all activities that will bring people back together to move because we have lifted the restrictions. Now, coronavirus, how does it spread? It spreads through the gathering. Yes. Though in our country, we've had very little mortalities, we just said that mortalities are related to comorbidities. We share your populations inside. Who are those who have these comorbidities? They are mainly those who are 50 years and above. And if you want to look, how would they contract this? It is when they go to a gathering. Where do our gatherings take place? That is another question. Our gatherings take place in funerals, in churches, in mosques, in places that would require so many people to come together. At least the old people hardly go to bank unless they are going for their pension. And look at these activities I've mentioned. They are being mainly led by those who have the comorbidities. Our funerals, it is led by our elderly people. In the churches, it's led by our elderly people. In the mosques, it's led by our elderly people. So, it's only in schools that we have those who virtually don't have comorbidities congregating, coming together. Okay, so per se, lifting some of the disadvantage with that is that the people who are elderly and have comorbidities must be taken care of very, very carefully. Else, this praises we are giving to ourselves that we've had only 1 point something death per every million may turn out to be different because the Woko funeral, am I online?
Yes.
Yes. The Woko funeral, the Oba leading funeral, the elderly people. You all know it. And if they start contracting the disease, besides their age, some of them have comorbidities, and they contract the virus. That 1.1 per million deaths will not be the same again. It will change. If you watch other countries, most of the people who have also died as a result of comorbidities. Luckily for us in our setting, the lockdown helped us in a way, and these restrictions help us in a way that we haven't had huge gatherings in churches, which can be a very bad source. A report has been given in the U.S. that there's an increase in cases from opening churches. If you open church, we know the number of people who will troop to church to go and pray, to get spiritual powers, so that they don't get coronavirus. This is going to spell a doom. So let the government watch it very carefully in its analysis to try to lift the restrictions on gathering like in churches and in mosques. The other place would be funerals. If we lift these restrictions and allow funerals to go on, we are going to get our elders taking lead in organizing funerals, and it's going to be a disaster for us if any of them contract it, because any elderly person who contracts it will definitely have a comorbidity. And the comorbidity will lead to a rise in numbers of the very critical cases that we praise ourselves that we have very few critical cases in the ICU. Because if they get it, they will definitely get to the ICU. And we said the last time that most of our elderly people are not falling sick simply because they are not like abroad where they go for shopping, they go to restaurants to eat, and they roam in tourist areas and the rest. Our elderly men sit in houses. The only thing they do is to go to church, go to funerals, and do some religious and leadership things. And now if we open these restrictions, lift these restrictions, we are going to give them the license to participate in these events. I am talking in favor of our elderly people and those who have comorbidities. I'm not against them leading us, but it is going to be a risk for them. And our
hello, Doc, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I can infer from all the scenarios that you've created, but my question is still not answered. Would you advise government to either ease the restrictions or remove the restrictions completely?
Good.
What's your position?
I went on this preamble before I can tell you our position.
Okay, so you tell me your position.
Yes, our position is that they shouldn't be lifted.
The restrictions should not be lifted.
Some few can be, let's say, removed, can be relaxed, but not completely easing it. They are talking about schools. If you have a school, if restrictions are lifted, people can go to school. If you have a school that has the conditions to maintain social distancing and preventing the children to gather in numbers, then you can do it. Unfortunately, we don't have schools in Ghana like that. We can't do it. We may have to do triple track or quadruple track to allow these things to happen, so that children can go to school without having so much contact with each other. That is one of the worrying things I have about education and about health. If we are able to allow people to do their businesses like they are doing, as at now, making sure that our market women, our shops maintain social distancing, it will be okay, because our elderly people would not go. But the most important thing is to look at the schools. How can we open schools, making sure the restrictions are maintained?
But Doc, you say that some of the restrictions can or could be eased.
Yes, if we put in some measures, like I'm telling you, could be eased, like let people go back to school. But there must be conditions. That's what I'm saying. We can either duplicate the double track system. People go to school in the morning, some go in the afternoon. Or we make sure that the number of people who come into a class are few. So schools can set the conditions, put the conditions prevalent that we need to allow them to maintain social distancing and wearing face masks to take place, washing their hands and adequately, giving them water and in the rest.
Are you therefore suggesting that teachers should do more than the normal 8 hours?
That is where the difficulty comes. You see, that is the preamble I'm bringing.
So therefore, this will not be material.
So we have to we have to give our suggestions for people to reason with us. If we don't do that and just don't open, they won't understand. If we say also open, they won't understand. So I'm giving you conditions that we can use to maintain these restrictions.
But you and I definitely agree that some of these conditions that you actually churning out may not be necessarily practicable.
Right. So they may not be practicable.
If we should have a triple track or quadruple track, what's going to happen? 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours. So it's going to be 16 hours.
Yes. Some people can go to school on Monday, some go on Tuesday, and some go on Wednesday. And they rotate. At least we keep them at least learning. Because this distance study they are doing is not everybody that can do it. So
why don't we annul the academic year, the whole period which is left, some few months, and then we start in September?
Captain, that is the best idea. That is the best suggestion. Let's just allow the year to go. I remember some years ago, universities were closed for 1 year, but we have Ghana running. So let's just allow for a year. That's why some of us are just suggesting that let's have patience, so that the world would develop a definite treatment for COVID-19. Develop a definite treatment for COVID-19, at least by August. As I'm saying, by August, the signs are clear that we have definite medicines to treat COVID-19. US has gotten an antivirus that can treat antibody, that can treat 100%. Cuba has gotten something that can treat 85%. Let's see how these things roll out. So if by August we get this treatment in place while the vaccine is being sought, then we can now reopen our schools and everything. But as it stands now, churches, mosques, funerals, and adorers and all those things cannot be opened because they are being led by the elderly who are vulnerable and have comorbidities.
All right.
If we make a mistake, then we'll have problems. So we suggest that we should have patience.
Thank you so much, Dr. Thomas Anaba, for your time this morning.
The pleasure is mine.
All right, then. So that was Dr. Thomas Anaba, Africa Center for Health Research and Policy. He says no, let's maintain the restrictions for some time. Anyway. Kobe!
Capito.
BBI fine.
Adom ne ahwe BBI fine.
Me ka say dey story we jaba ko.
There here.
Story ba ko wa hey John Kofo story.
John the end the how.
John Kofo there.
Da. Yeah, the bayadi. Eda ho. On the now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, why video.
Waka no.
Also ankara was in the secret to be the
na no penny say yes only former girlfriend bi and as girlfriend bi as akeka bi abam na e bi na see here
asem tieni se dia tieni se no kuro asem no si 2017 kuro 2017 asem no ma ba fa no asina tawa ko prafi flow tawa ko edi o mo ni charge na da turu so and I said, 2017, long time, so I'm Ethiopia. And look, I'm not in the Usa Obadi. Yaman Korean and Adina a best son in Yamama. In Comodia or Muppet, Namison Freak, Martin, Midan, Martin. Although I die, you were on a high. Do I not say we are almost and send the green? You go closer to one, pushing it. To make up on the show you. You show the moon and the sink, take a good tea. If I look at you know what you have found here? You didn't go inside our the above church, the piano. 2020, you are.
Also, assembly 2017.
2017, 1st January.
And yes, and for but the year say akasa. And I would have made nyabote. Akasa na buy between no girlfriend no. And I will piano and say, oh, conform no. And I was Osencha kakra bi kitty bi and I sebi o girlfriend no fo e ko ka ho
the wife no
na asemi de be na wa run ho ana
okay
na wa run ho ana
o kicking our 19 ah ya there
enti nya se wa na wo so mu na wo ka sebi ne no fo no but ka wo to fo na wo se ko kai
yeah I ko
we de wo ya a record o o ya a record o hey so wo tia repa na skills na wo se funky to abi e ko ka wo yire no fo
yes
Jogu no.
No friend of my penny kufo. Kotoko.
Former Kotoko.
Good dinner, no one.
Well, good dinner.
That's one. And I do man. I say, okay, say, me, Jerry. Now, Jerry, I was in there.
What's in out to here?
Oh, that's a kid to
and then the senior baby.
Hey. Of a KPDA, I don't know.
Let's get to I don't get to
over now was ro. Hey,
but money bit more.
It's what I know about room.
According to story,
I've been listening to magnet attracted no for.
According to story, yes, obey here. Was it presided over by Mr. Kwaku Ba Frimpong? The court asked former Kotoko player to ensure the victim undergoes an urgent surgery. Now was agent surgery.
Capital as one as second. Papa Angasa Semina, and Numa Semina. Also do be a drone or kind.
Then was a man. No, you want to me, okay, dear Tosun. I do tell me, Terry, I'm a Carnofu.
Ne sinner magnetic force.
Says a sinner pocket to a view.
There be set a sinner one and no. Kids one a woman. Our magnetic properties. Our magnetic properties. Ti say wo theater no ba wo ni.
Asem so omunya ninwe ana. Omunya ninwe.
Ase omo you.
Omo die wi.
Ya man 50,000 bill.
Na just omo ninwe.
Ti say o say o the sense magnet wo mu nti no. Wo theater no ba wo ni na wo sene people attract no for.
So home. Capital na
masa. Boy ya boy tackling akesi ani ade a oyi. Ne zinti obi no for.
We kitchen asem o se oba na ye.
We kitchen.
O jase.
Na ti. Bisa bo nya man no for ni.
E man mema bobo.
Oba no for no susceptible.
No, Obani.
Obani be 19 no crash no.
Obani.
O say 19 e bo wa true.
E bia auto from no train.
I just hear pen no for cro.
19 e bo wa true.
I think something na say ya dwe dey kopɛ no for no.
This pen no for cro. Say Messi no mu de ni bi a bia ene bit my ampa. Because no twam create me pɛ mo.
Ɛna na make yi. Messi mu de bit my question no.
Ba kapi oba no anya de. Obi se ketua bia ketua.
Na wako he no for.
Wako he no for no.
Me and tell me we na.
This no for na exhibit or court. Who's the judge no cry to the idea to say yima me.
They say no for the exhibit.
Na me say they no na.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Then I go for bad pay. Yay! No for the exhibit yo. Exhibit no for.
No for exhibit.
Yeah.
Wow.
We mon pe criminal lawyer bi ma me say you so anti bet fam na you no for no.
I just a more example the bit me. Case we there.
Tigo. Tigo eh.
And response na.
Mon pe more example ma me. Me wo lawyer na so wuti say me mo fe da. Morris.
Na mu san ho asem o.
Sanka de aye de che say ayire so a. Say eno na ye exhibit.
Capital nya bad. Ka obi sama na ka be me de. So wo bra me so Capital ka be me de. Na me fa na se ma MTN na sa. Na fa wo ma. Tigo, we de yes.
Patron so mo pe lawyer more sample why?
Me so na me fa na no on fa nye na.
So wa pe more sample ma.
E do from more sample no captain say na say the MTN no.
And no I would have MTN na me. And me na me host sports no.
And one na who host no.
Patron mo from more sample ma. Na say. Eh man kwabra. Yeah, proper explanation. Yeah, prefer them better particulars.
I didn't hear. So I see who say this here.
Enti MTN say the omo dey aba ne say my MTN apps.
Eno dey. Enya dey afa na wo short code. My MTN app no.
Yes. Come up. My MTN app.
Teacher say
come up. Say the who here yes. I know achi no na say amponse fan so at the F pack aba.
Okay.
You see the yaw bia. O say
e don't dey be need them ha.
E be need them ba o come pharmacy shop bia be dey to yes.
Uti yo ya no bi.
Any BS tablet no. BS tablet near kama. Unsem kra no enne man no mpeni mu yeden o mu nyi no na
mpeni fon so de yeden.
Na wonso o ya de na ho to wa pani bia dro ba kwa onya no BS tablet no.
Oh, onfa. Oh, lawyer more sampa baby awo bia fa phone.
Lawyer fa.
Na se mo wo de mo pa criminal lawyer bia my why. Lawyer bia.
Come up.
So we ka wo no fo na ye.
Wan ka wo ne sia no ketua
bi. We men ka say case we. Fanso bi ka wo no fo. Na ye court na ye so a na sa o say heden ya exhibit see you bet me you know for no na say if you man kwata makro so a lawyer na
David if you a doctor or no a doctor
so if you and go over here o de fear example
send you bianca
if you no for bianca no for no
you are the friend judicial precedence. And the SC
my entire debut.
Now, no penny at say, yes, only former girlfriend be another girlfriend be as I can be a boom. Now, at the end of the year,
Lama Sampa, good morning.
Morning,
hey, this is a lawyer.
Munja me say me body I say ye nti me body
me say that on catch no lady want to say
oh bia hu ye me nua captain e
mbacho an
oh captain ba no size I'm so excited to hear from you
I actually lady mama
you must power me tell
lawyer mpacho asemi na atu ye studio ha
no
na wo penny lawyer wo krom ha betumi aboy asem we
Ocho machi
pacho tewaso na ti ade ya me boy why
yo machi
me bo bibi
na no penny e say yes only o former girlfriend bi and as a girlfriend bi asa akeka bi abam na e bi na si e
asem tieni se the tieni se no ko bi ani asem na si 2017 ni kura o 2017 asem na o ma ba fa no asina tawako prafi flow tawako edi o mo ni charge na da tumi so and sa asem na si 2017 long time so mi ki Ethiopia ba e no ko anya kan bia u se o ba de nyema nkole na na adini ya se bi o e be sisani nyema nkomodia o mafe na mi si free kuma se ni dan o kuma se o no dan na o na high so na adini se bi o mo kan na yen send the green ki go closer to one no e no push me ki me top of na me show you me show you na me send kete ni ko ti nfa no ka crazy di no ko ya de fa mi a ya de mi ko en charge a o no di abo mi cheche le piano 2020 mo
o si assembly si 2017
1 January
anti enya asem foforo but the year ne say akasa ena wo de me ba nyabote akasa ne ba between no girlfriend no ena wo pia na say o kofom no ena wo osenchen ho kakra bi kiti bi ena sebi o girlfriend no fo ekoka ho
the wife grow
o wife no na aseme de be na wa run ho ana
oje
na wa run ho ana
o kikina o 19 o ya de
enti nyese wa na wo so mu na wo ka sebi ne no fo no but ka wo to fo na wo se ko kai
ya sa ne ko
we de wo ya record o
oje
o ya record o
satan
hey so wo tia repa na skills na wo sit for ketwa bi e ko ka wo yire no fo
lawyer
what is stressing me serious Captain Bakopa the best player show radio
lawyer na asami me ntese bail abem na the person ye hunu ne say ye asam kokot na criminal case a we ye no fo na yakai de ben pa na ye exhibit wo court ho
the exhibit me be ye no fo no ye try ye no e so to me na evidence so what I do for no enti de bi kan na kan put what kan for no and so they call police station now police inform the man medical when they say we perform no call hospital but on corner they call examine no for no no country doctor no say ni ku aka no for na doctor na ask no for no na wa examine na what report say ampa ya kan for no na ya kan for no so e wo fi so say e wo medical no but say I know say ma na very difficult to prove say you can for no
sir apostle kwachi obi say bi obi the second atwa obi a ye fa second so as exhibit ti yetime de court na ye de no so akwachi nti we no sir ekoba ne say adekode a ye di pra nipa na chese say abanche so fe ne se e wo court ho ana
yes so so abandon to do call hospital be say a fit na abia bia ho ana because sense that a system say wo uka obi a yetimi be the people who say e fit na car no ana what the break ana what the bibi na car no enti no say no abia bia ho enti it's through only medical evidence it is a would be evidence actually say a medical evidence say that can for now evidence say we prove beyond with that back up you very interesting now ka Bama no benya defense banka ka say that omu play romance and be ko so no fumu na one said that okay ya na when you can say ebufu bae and na push bi bae and na all team can me say no kadufu no nim so kadufu no boss no fu yenka ya ka twa na ya wo kan bi so ya de kadufu a ya to get na e ba de when them say or you know free escape ya ba problem bia onye hali robotic bia ni mfano zo kadufo amani do wa kutu ni no fu dia ko prosecute kabano enti no emse we no dia eye bufu party okamani se obano only say onumlu fu like obano nye complain
sa onumnu fu na
obano complain
obano nye complain
aka bro opoto fu na yufu no ebe to na numero no be say onumra ko so obano be se na jamai odi abeno ko na wasa fi numero fu no odi ase but we dey ekoye aka enti say eka no eye ya captain enti na do say me no mama awofo legal education say sebi amu we ya di ma say ye ndibi ya nse nka enti na eye danger say obema kwa no odo obema oba say sebi on sit home out because okoka our defense because ya no ye no anu no nyama de say babo so enti no say amu no ya di film for ya nka enti no o ko kane de na de o committee offense serious ba
enti chese say implement the course harm no ye nipa ne sen
yes
enti se okoduru ba bi na suppose for na court no pese ohu adekode ye de kai a je abanche ne fe ne sen
ampoba so fe ne sen
okay ena se ekoba se ye pe exhibit na nkasa ade na ye pra no nipa ne se bia ode aba na bo na chi anka ye beka se yenyi na chi ne ehwe enti eyire so court ho aje aba ya no oye no nofo ana
obeyi enteke wo ba ya je no so se na ye ke bi sa bra obema bi eko oko bi pie ye no wa be fie enti na yiri buafu enti oba no pa no and obema ye oba na no bora we for the say bedroom ko yi shirt no ko jina wa say auto ade so enti auto ade so no na oba no fi bedroom ba no bi sa say ani me ko hin e na ko hin na oba de fi bema na fi no be jan so na one channel do be call be hu de be fi enti no de ko pem obema no na be ba mo kase so won nimro fi de tia ode ayo be hye no ode ase aba no so na ofo do no ntaba pe no fu no so be ani benzemu ntaba pe na wo ho enti obema no out of provocation on dare no po ode no fu no tare ode ayo de tare no fu no enti je oba wuro ode stampi le boso it's cheap but now ro enti no ema case ko police station na wọ́n kọ́ court eti court mi kábẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ̀ na judge Willie Wise and all this asem no eti no na akoko affect that time eti wọ́n bá court no yẹ ká asem no na obiara yẹ na abuja di sẹ ọ̀pẹ̀sẹ̀ òkú nufu náà ṣe no wọ́n di ase ọ̀dọ̀ doctors àtúrọ̀ sẹ nufu náà ṣe yẹ fún zero ọba no si nufu no na judge no busu ne ti ọ̀sẹ̀ nufu ayẹ pẹ̀lú paanu wọ́n di ase nufu abẹ́ẹ̀ma yenya no mu dano na wo be ma de wo nya lufu a o se no ti judge lufu ye e ma no 7 years imprisonment say lufu pa wo na wo fu se lufu pa e so wo di agoro di ayo na shi lufu no e di 7 years so boy no minya na kotum nya no bia wo ni say oba openikuru o book kutude no sa pe pa e judge ni say
onjani kuluma
no onte suna oba no ko 7 years na ebe so so ama no o dey say na adami asese say ma bad say no way obeti so and obeti so 2 years fe so oba no ko for 5 years oba no ko dem for 5 years the guy can say pa only say oba no ko dem for 5 years after 5 years no ye hu no court oba be dap get nothing say we swanya sa papa say pa say obebu oba ada obeyo oba bibi wo no happy would say oba the ware ni no
wow
because oba no Chris you oba no kotrano o ya say e ma odu ni hu pa oba no chew but they say be ya onye say biom na da chi bi so obi so nya na je say ode nufu ode ayo be shi nufu ni no and o ma no it was a very emotional case I can't remember pa
la me da say Patria wo frema na wachi na mame lawyer Morris Ampao a competition.
Nano penny at say, yes, only former girlfriend be another girlfriend be as I can be a boom. Now, at the see,
I said, the attorneys and no problem. I said, 2017 crowd. 2017, I said, no, Mama Fano, Asina. Tawako Prafi Flow, Tawako, or wouldn't charge another two. And I 2017 long time to have Ethiopia by. And look, I'm not in the Usha Yaman Korean and Adina Savior, a best son in Yamanema. In Comodia or Mappy, Namison Freak Martin in Midan Martin. Although a Dana you on a high, do I not say the own mouth and send the green till you go closer to one, pushing it. It's not up on the show you. You show the moon and the sink taking good tea. If I look at trade, you know what you're before me. You didn't go and charge our more the abomination church, the piano. 2020 you are.
Also, Assembly 2017.
2017 1st January.
And Yassam Fofro. But the year and say Akasa. And I would have made Yabote. Akasa and buy between no girlfriend. No. And I will pay and I say, oh, cough no. And I was saying, Chawaka Crabby. Kitty be and I Sebi or girlfriend no for a cocaho.
A wife no.
Ah, now I said me the now I run a Juana.
Okay.
Now I run a Juana.
Oh, taking our 19. Oh, yeah, dear.
And Tinyasa one I was so moon our car, Sebi no for no Batica, Tofona, was a cocaine.
Yeah, I know.
Where the Oya record. Oh, yeah, a record. Hey, so tear repair, Naskers now was sent for Kit Webby, a cocoa, you know, for.
Yeah, right.
It's a capital.
Yeah, you're responsible.
Ah, the Abano. It's my mamma Katie for a dinkra about Mr. A drawback or malaria and a now I could pay a
Mamma house. Okay, would you kitchen?
Even I said it. As you would be able to be accountable for. Yeah. It is open to now offer 0248 778899. 0248778899. Edinkra heba Mr. Oko a year pharmacy shop be and as a drugstore be answer. Obenya be at betway.com.gh. Now cherry matches be and a course so name ye pa. Yebesa edi emun komo nyina so ye dia ball live. Ewo Adom 106.3 FM. So Tikapito mamemfa a year omunkra no ema etiefo na fi wi a odi dia akato so medi ne cobblestone enyumre no nsombo a yebesa ba.
And I say, I will Kobe Stone a day a support so we special essay